The draping of the side skirt was by far the most difficult part of this dress. I've never draped a skirt like this before, and I had to ask some of my wonderful friends for help. It was suggested that I drape it as a cowl skirt, which is exactly what I did. Here you can see I'm marking the waistline. I am using a Sharpie. I do not recommend you do that because it's quite easy to mark through the fabric onto the dress form. I am just snipping the extra fabric, making little notes, center back, here's the overlap, remarking my waistline as I unpin the skirt. And very soon I will be placing it on the ground to fix my lines, sort of straighten out the hem a bit, and from there I will take all my markings and transfer it to a paper pattern. Thanks for watching part 4. The last part's coming up soon.